Building an undeniable identity post-spin-off is never simple. When core ERP systems are entangled with the parent company, it leads to financial delays, compliance risks, and back-office chaos. That's what a well-known US-based heavy welding manufacturer faced. Post-separation, they needed to rapidly stabilize operations across global locations with a seamless Oracle ERP foundation. But challenges were intense. Restricted migration of millions of financial records, aggressive timelines for deployment across North America, complex rollouts in Poland, India, and more without dedicated ERP teams. This is where Evoke Technologies stepped in. With deep Oracle expertise, Evoke managed a full ERP transition, implemented region-specific rollouts, and delivered seamless integrations for HR, payroll, and CapEx workflows. From Oracle Integration Cloud (OIC) to ADP Payroll to custom Oracle Apex apps, every system was optimized to build a truly autonomous workflow. The results? Evoke assisted in quickly building an independent IT service desk management system using Oracle APEX, migrated 1 million plus order lines, and ensured seamless sales order data transfer using OIC, successfully transferred 15 million plus AR and AR-related records. Zero disruptions during transition. With Evoke's Oracle-powered transformation, the company moved into its next chapter, autonomous, agile, and future-ready. Is your organization preparing for a global ERP transition? Partner with Evoke to make it seamless, scalable, and successful.